The quality of what we consume plays a crucial role in our health. Those facing the challenge of diabetes know that balancing a tasty and nutritious diet with the need to control blood sugar levels is a daily and challenging task. Breakfast emerges as a key piece in this puzzle, shaping not only the beginning of the day but also directly influencing the stability of glucose levels throughout the journey. A breakfast plan specifically designed for people with diabetes becomes an invaluable tool. This plan is not just a list of meals. It's a complete strategic guide to promoting health and well-being. Each option offers a carefully considered combination of ingredients, harnessing everything from the protein power of eggs to the fiber richness of chia puddings and oats. Each meal is a step towards blood sugar control while simultaneously satisfying the senses with delicious flavors and essential nutrients. In this video, I'll give you a 7-day breakfast plan for diabetics. Without further ado, let's get into the video. On the first day, have multigrain toast with avocado. Multigrain toast with avocado is more than just a quick and convenient meal. It's a smart choice to promote health and stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. This delicious option is packed with fiber and monounsaturated fats, which play a crucial role in regulating glucose levels after meals. By opting for high-fiber multigrain bread, you're ensuring a source of complex carbohydrates that are digested slowly, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable and providing sustained energy throughout the morning. The avocado, star of this combination, is a rich source of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are known for their benefits to heart health and their ability to help control blood sugar levels. Additionally, avocado is an excellent source of fiber, which contributes to feelings of satiety and aids digestion. To further increase the nutritional value of this meal, adding eggs is a great option. Eggs are a high-quality protein source and provide essential nutrients for a balanced diet. The combination of egg proteins with the fibers and fats from multigrain bread and avocado creates a complete meal that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Therefore, by choosing multigrain toast with avocado for breakfast, you're making a nutritious choice that not only satisfies your palate but also promotes your overall health and well-being. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos about healthy eating for diabetes. Your interaction is very important to us and helps us continue to bring you more relevant content. So, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Second day, eat fruit and nut bowl with cottage cheese. The fruit and nut bowl with cottage cheese is much more than just a simple meal. It's a nutrient-packed explosion that offers a host of health benefits. This balanced combination of ingredients provides a unique blend of proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates that keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Cottage cheese, with its creamy texture and mild flavor, is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Additionally, studies show that cottage cheese can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for people with diabetes or those seeking to control their blood sugar levels. Fresh fruits add a touch of sweetness and a burst of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the bowl. These nutrients are essential for overall body health, strengthening the immune system, promoting cardiovascular health, and even aiding in skin health. Nuts are a rich addition of healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, in addition to providing protein and fiber. These nutrients help maintain satiety, promote heart health, and aid in cognitive function. By enjoying a fruit and nut bowl with cottage cheese, you're not only savoring a delicious meal but also nourishing your body with a variety of essential nutrients. Try this nutritious option for your next breakfast or snack and feel the benefits for your health and well-being. Third day, have a low-carb smoothie. The low-carb smoothie is an excellent choice that combines flavor and nutrition. This smoothie has been specially formulated to be low in carbohydrates, making it a friendly option for those who need to control their blood sugar levels. One of the stars of this smoothie is avocado, a fruit rich in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates. In addition to adding a creamy texture to the smoothie, avocado provides a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and help maintain a feeling of satiety for longer. Almond milk is another smart addition to this smoothie. Low in carbohydrates and calories, almond milk is an excellent alternative to cow's milk for those with diabetes. Additionally, it is a source of calcium and vitamin D, essential nutrients for bone health. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich and low-carb source, making it an ideal ingredient for this smoothie. The proteins help maintain a feeling of fullness and stabilize blood sugar levels, while Greek yogurt adds creaminess and a touch of flavor. Together, these ingredients create a delicious and nutritious smoothie that is perfect for diabetics and anyone looking to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Try this smoothie as a quick and satisfying snack or as a refreshing option to start the day off right. Fourth day, have Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt with berries is much more than a simple flavor combination. It's a great nutrient option that offers a host of health benefits. This breakfast or snack choice is not only quick and convenient, but also nutrient-dense, providing a healthy dose of energy for your day. Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein and contains beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics, which are essential for digestive health. These probiotics help balance gut flora, improving digestion and aiding in nutrient absorption. Additionally, studies show that regular yogurt consumption can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, are a tasty and nutritious addition to Greek yogurt. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, which combat free radical damage in the body and help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, berries are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a smart choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Therefore, by enjoying a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, you're not only savoring a delicious flavor combination, but also nourishing your body with a variety of essential nutrients. Try this refreshing and nutritious option for your next breakfast or snack and feel the benefits for your health and well-being. 5th day, have eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutritious foods available, and they are especially beneficial for people with diabetes due to their high protein content and low carbohydrate content. This unique combination makes eggs ideal for helping to control blood sugar levels and providing sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, eggs are a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need to function properly. This is crucial for people with diabetes, as protein helps stabilize blood glucose levels and promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing cravings for carb-rich foods. One of the best things about eggs is their versatility in the kitchen. You can prepare them in various ways, from poached and scrambled eggs to omelets and boiled eggs. Moreover, you can add a variety of vegetables, such as spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers, to further increase the nutritional value of your meal. These vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for maintaining overall body health and supporting metabolic function. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal, but also providing your body with the nutrients it needs to maintain health and well-being. Try different ways of preparing eggs and discover how they can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet for people with diabetes. 6th day, have chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a breakfast or snack option that goes far beyond just satisfying your taste buds. It's a powerful source of nutrients that offers a range of health benefits. Rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seed pudding is especially beneficial for people with diabetes as it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and promotes cardiovascular health. The fibers present in chia seeds are essential for digestive health and help regulate the absorption of glucose in the blood, which is crucial for controlling blood sugar levels. Additionally, fibers provide a prolonged feeling of fullness, which can help control appetite and prevent overeating throughout the day. The omega-3 fatty acids present in chia seed pudding are known for their anti-inflammatory and heart protective effects. They help reduce inflammation in the body and promote cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. Preparing chia seed pudding is simple and convenient. Just mix chia seeds with almond milk and vanilla and refrigerate overnight for a ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. This option is not only healthy but also delicious and satisfying, making it an ideal choice to start the day with energy and vitality. By incorporating chia seed pudding into your diet, you're not only enjoying a convenient and tasty meal but also providing your body with the necessary nutrients for optimal health. Try this nutritious option and discover the benefits for your health and well-being. And to wrap up the 7th day, have whole oats. Whole oats are a versatile and nutritious food that offers a range of health benefits, especially for people with diabetes. Rich in soluble fiber, oats help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol, making them a smart choice for a balanced and healthy diet. The soluble fibers in oats form a gel in the digestive tract, slowing down glucose absorption and helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Additionally, soluble fibers help reduce LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, which is important for maintaining cardiovascular health. By choosing whole oats instead of instant oats, you're ensuring a more nutritious source of fiber and nutrients. Whole oats are less processed and contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals than instant oats, making them a healthier choice. To further enhance the flavor and nutrients of your oats, you can add a variety of ingredients such as cinnamon, fruits, and almonds. Cinnamon not only adds a delicious flavor, but can also help control blood sugar levels. Fruits provide additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while almonds add protein, healthy fats, and crunchy texture. Therefore, by incorporating whole oats into your diet, You're not only enjoying a delicious and comforting meal, but also nourishing your body with a variety of essential nutrients. Try different ingredient combinations and discover how whole oats can be a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced diet. And that concludes the 7-day breakfast plan for a diabetic. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you found the information useful and inspiring. If you like the content, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time,